I am in a 2004 Toyota Sienna. We have no keys. We're going to program one master key. Our security light is right here. Turn the ignition key on. Go to Sienna. 2004 4D immobilizer. We're going to quick reset the immobilizer. The light will go solid red as it does. Some of these older systems, they may say complete or unsuccessful during the immobilizer reset, but if that light's solid, you know it's okay. So we'll just wait for the machine to do what it's got to do. Okay, ignore it. Now at this point, all we have to do is take out the key. We're going to insert it. Watch the security light. Here we go. It goes out, comes back on. You take the key, turn it 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's it. This key is now programmed. I'll take the key out. Light flashes. We're going to go stick the key back in. Light is out. OBD2 port is on the very end of the trim to the left of the brake pedal.